Hey friends, this is Sejal and welcome to my channel. If you did not subscribe to my channel, please consider clicking on subscribe button. Let's make Mexican green quinoa today. To make this, I took 3 cups spinach, 1 cup chopped cilantro, 2 bay leaves, 4-5 mint leaves, 3-4 garlic cloves, 2 jalapenos or 3 green chilies, 1/4 cup of chopped onions, half cup green peas, 1 cup quinoa rinsed and drained, 2 tablespoon lime juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon of each of salt, black pepper and cumin powder. In a blender, blend spinach, cilantro, mint leaves, jalapenos or chilies, salt, black pepper and cumin powder. And add 1 cup of water and blend well. To make it 3 cups, add needed amount of water. Now take oil in a deep pan and add onion and bay leaves and saute onion and then add garlic and then add green peas. After 2-5 minutes, add rinsed and drained quinoa and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring in between. After that, add green mix we prepared earlier and cover it with lid. Let it cook for 15 minutes and stir 2-3 times in between. Once it starts boiling, stir it and keep lid little bit open to escape the steam. After 5 minutes, add lemon juice and mix it. Cover it and then let it cook for another 5 minutes. Garnish it with cilantro and mint leaves. So our Mexican green quinoa is ready. You can serve it alone or with black bean salad. That is it for today. Eat good, feel good. Please check out my other videos and have a wonderful day ahead. Take care friends. Bye bye.